Hello, this is my bike check. It's my first one, so don't hate. I've got a custom United Trinity. That's the frame 2009, and every part is custom. We've got the Etny stickers on the frame and the United badge on the front. I'm running a stolen headset, which is great, no problems at all. The Colt Ruster Salvation stem, very nice looking, also gives you a nice reach for your bars, which are S&M XLTs, 28 width, 8 height, very nice, got the Colt sticker there, and the Colt Vans waffle grips, which so far I haven't had any problems with. I've got We the People helium forks, not too bad, crappy paint job. I'm running a Odyssey Bandero 2 hub on Odyssey quadrant rims with the Odyssey tyres, 2.35. Not too bad, a bit slippery, like everyone says, a bit plasticky, as you see. But next we have Odyssey Thunderbolt cranks, 175mm with Trail Mix pedals. I think they're unsealed, but they are very spinny. Metal obviously, so easy to catch. We have a Sunday sprocket and a KMC half-link chain. We have just a normal pivotal black seat post, but here's my vibrating bone deaf seat, which is pretty cool. Leopard print, don't see many people with those. Back we have an Odyssey V3 hub, quite loud. Yep. And Odyssey quadrant rims again with the Odyssey tyres, the Odysseys. The back hub's pretty loud. Let me just. So yeah, and that's my bike check. We'll be updating one every week, so stay tuned.